Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. It's absolutely glorious day here in Koh Samui, Thailand. Cheers, a nice cup of coffee. Absolutely delightful. I do encourage you, if the people who have not been to Thailand before, please come and enjoy. Come and visit. It's absolutely beautiful and the people are so kind. Back to the charts. So recently I've been sharing the propulsion entry system. The people that have trusted me and joined, I already have that. And I've had a 5-day intensive trading camp to go with that. Now I'm going to show you the results as I always do from 7 a.m. I'm using the exact same pair every day, so people cannot say I've been choosing the time. I've showed 65% in one day. I've showed 55% in one day. And yesterday, I think it was about 50%. Now, the time for me in Thailand is 9:40. So I'm going to go from 7 a.m. to now. So the people that in Australia, New Zealand, Indonesia, Thailand, Philippines, if they want to get on board with this incredible system, the propulsion entry system, reach out and I can get you involved. And other people at other times of the day too. I'm going to share my screen right now. Here we go. So this is the group, ladies and gentlemen, Forex trading for beginners. That's me on the beach in Koh Samui, Thailand. Now, 7,500 members. Not every one of them can be wrong. I will give you not every one of them can be wrong. Maybe one or two, but not 7,500. So I'm just going to share my charts, ladies and gentlemen. So as I always say to them, we have to learn to trust the process of education, process of learning. And if you want to follow me, just type in Trade Like Jeff. So I'm going to go back here to this morning, to this 7th at 7 a.m. as I do every day when I show this. So here's one I prepared daily. Here's my charts that I've been sharing most days. A quick overview. If there's nothing on the charts, if it's a green background, it's a buy, and if it's a red background, it's a sell. Yep. But there are a few other conditions. We also have this incredible Ninja MACD setting, absolutely top end, that comes exclusive. And we'll have this propulsion entry system, the way it all works together. So at this point here, you'll see a green line. You'll see another green cloud. And you see that at that point here, this says buy, that says buy, that says buy. The green background says buy. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not buying this, you're missing a trick. And it's also on the 1 minute time frame. Yep. So all I do is I would enter, probably the bottom of that candle there. Yeah, I'll show you the exit point in a minute. Now I know I have low battery. Look at this. I just put that under the, see the low? I can either put it under the low there, or I can put it under the low there, whatever suits your style, your personality. So either the low there or the low there. Yeah, so we'll leave that there. So at this point here, it's jumping up and down. You can see this, ladies and gentlemen. It goes up there, hits off the cloud. And then we've got to make decisions. Do we exit the trade at this point at 2.83%? So what does that mean? That means if you had $100 and you're risking $1 per pip, you'd have made $2.83. If you had $1,000, well, you can do the numbers. However, it depends on your style. You could exit there and re-enter at this point here, or you can stay in the trade because you trust this enough. It bounces off of this. These are what we call false breakouts. Yep. So let me just do this again. I'll do that again for you, ladies and gentlemen. So just at the bottom here, grab this here. Now you understand the rules. We've had the entry. Boom. Had the false breakout, it bounced off there. We've had another false breakout, look, bounced off the line, and it went up again. Yeah. And then it came through this time, and we exit here. Why do we exit here? Because our matrix said it's going into sell, and that's exactly what it did. So what we do, ladies and gentlemen, at that point there, we would have had 7.54%. One trade, that's what you get. And each one of these is a minute. So the time frame to achieve that, let me just check from there to there. That was 1 hour and 11 minutes. So rather than most banks in you give you 0.5%, 1%, in that hour, we've just made 7.54%. That's this morning. Not the good old days from 10 years ago or yesterday or whatever. That's today, this morning. And then said it was a sell. We stay out of that, ladies and gentlemen. You know why? You potentially could have entered that, but we're in an uptrend. We need to take the buys. A false breakout, which I mentioned, it broke through there. There's another buy. We get green background. We have a green cloud. We have this here. Enter that trade. Right there. Where does the stop loss go? As always, at the low. And at this point, we have some decisions to make there. We would exit there. It's 0.5%. So it's 8% this morning already. And this is where we are right now, ladies and gentlemen. We're not into that trade because we're below that line. So 8%, the time is on 2 hours and 45 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, if this has been valuable, yes, it's been short. If this has been valuable, taking advantage of the propulsion entry system, if you want to learn this for yourself, come and join our amazing Ninja team. This particular specific strategy is free to all the people who trust me and join with myself. If you want to take action and get involved and benefit from this, you too can do so. Send me a message, like, comment, share, and I'll see you all as usual at the top. Bye for now.